Square POS tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Square POS. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Square, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Square POS, it is an all-in-one payment processing and business management system designed primarily for small to medium-sized businesses, in which it enables merchants to accept a variety of payment methods including cash, credit and debit cards, mobile wallets, and using hardware such as card, readers, tablets, or smartphones. And beyond the basic transaction, Square POS offers features such as inventory tracking, sales reporting, customer management, and employee monitoring, helping businesses streamline daily operations. And the system is a cloud-based, meaning the data is stored securely online and can be accessed in real time from anywhere. And now to create an account, you can click the Get Started button or the Sign In button on the top right corner, in which by simply clicking on it, you will automatically be directed in here where you can simply enter your email address and your password. Now after signing in, you will automatically be directed in here, in which this is basically what the homepage looks like of Square POS. On the left side panel, we have here the home and other kind of options, items and services, and many more. But in this pop-up window, it will show you how you can start setting up your account on Square POS, such as to customize receipt, set up your taxes, and many more. So just for example, this order hardware, it will basically show us in here all of the hardware system that is used for POS on Square. It will show you the corresponding name and the prices of it, or you could also simply purchasing here this kind of system item or POS. Now on the left side panel, we can always start managing the payments and invoices in here, in which you can simply manage all of the transaction, the orders, subscription, and disputes, in which it is used to process customer transactions quickly and securely at point of sale. The main purpose is to allow businesses to accept different payment methods, such as cash, credit card, or debit card, and digital wallets. Now under transactions, you should be able to see all of the list of transactions from different timeline, or you could also simply search it in here. Now aside from that, under the orders, you could also manage all of the orders. Under subscription, you could also see the subscription details from your customer. And now going back in here in our homepage, it serves as a centralized dashboard where users can quickly access all essential tools and information needed to run your business. You should be able to see your account, the Square point of sale in here, your performance, metrics, analytics, and many more, in which the main purpose of this is to provide a clear overview and daily operations, including current sales, recent transactions, and shortcuts to key features such as payments, invoices, inventory, and reports. And also, business owners and staff can easily navigate the system, monitor performance in real time, and manage tasks efficiently without switching between multiple sections. And in order to take the payment in here, you also need to simply set up your account under the homepage, which is needed before you will able to take payment methods, change your card, and many more. And all of these are pretty much accessible once you're done setting up your own account in Square POS. Now in terms of some of the sales channels, under the online in here, it will show you that you can use either retail, which is Meta for business, food pickup and delivery on Facebook, and many more. You can simply set up all in here, everything, in order to use the Square POS in here. However, it may take some time in order to simply link or add your account for Meta Business in here. And now aside from that, you could even manage all orders option on the left side panel under payments and invoices, in which this one is used to view and manage every transaction to order made within the systems. You should see here the active, scheduled, and any kind of orders, whether they are completed, pending, refunded, or cancelled, allowing businesses to track order history in one place. So again in here, in order for you to be able to simply integrate the other transaction type or the online sales channels, all you need to do is simply link or set up your account in here, in which basically from here it will show you the step-by-step process on how you can start selling on Facebook and Instagram. Then click the continue button once done on the top right corner in order to start doing the process or the step-by-step procedures. And now by clicking items and services, from here you can add an items or either a subscription plans in here. By clicking the subscription plans, all you need to do is simply create here a plans to offer by clicking create a plan button right here. Upon doing so, all you need to do is simply fill out the required information needed, including here the kind of services on each plan, the type of plan, the corresponding prices, description of it, and many more. So those are kind of basically a service that you offer upon using some of those plans that you offer in here. You can even upload an image for those kind of plan for your image library and many more. So basically in here it is used to create, organize, and manage the products and services that business offers, in which the main purpose is to allow users to add an item names, description, prices, categories, and variations. Now under the report section, from here you should be able to see this one, in which it is used to analyze and monitor business financial performance, sales activity, and it is providing a detailed insight such as total revenue, number of transactions, best-selling items, and sales trends over specific periods. And you could also reconcile some of the transaction in here using the software partners of POS in here. You can see the fees, sales taxes, the discount, and any other financial details. So basically in here, by presenting data in a clear summaries and visual charts, the report features enables businesses or business owners to make informed decisions, identify patterns, and improve overall operations. But again in here, you also need to set up your account in order to start using some of the feature, including on Square POS. So basically by navigating those, it is essential for evaluating business growth, managing finances accurately, and planning future strategies. Now aside from that, if you also want to navigate some other options, you can go to the settings option in here on the left side panel. And as you can see, you can simply sync some of the application in here in Square. But basically from here under the settings, it is used to configure and customize how the system operates according to business needs. And now upon clicking the button, you will be able to be directed on the marketplace where you can simply download some of the application or use it to simply sync your account. We have here Jotform, Shippo, Wix, WooCommerce, and many more. So basically in here, it is designed to extend the system functionality by allowing businesses to connect with third-party applications and tools. The purpose of this is to provide access to a wide range of integrations, such as accounting software, e-commerce software, marketing tools, and inventory management systems that can enhance and automate business operations. So basically, the importance of using Square POS lies in its ability to simplify and improve overall business operations. It provides a fast and secure way to process payments, ensuring smooth transaction for both businesses and customers. And for the receipts, it will show you in here the step-by-step process, or you can simply fill out the required information in here to do it or to start adding your receipt. But make sure to set up your account first in order to use some other feature by Square POS. And overall, that is just basically how you can use Square POS. Thank you.